Hey guys, tonight I wanted to show you a quick video on Google Analytics and how it integrates into your Clickfunnels. I'm going to share my screen with you here. And so this is my Google Analytics screen. You can see here, like obviously I've got a few accounts here, but this one here is the social media supermom page, right? Which is my Clickfunnels account page, right? So basically, I'm on that page. I'm going to go down on the left-hand side, right down the bottom. And guys, you do have to have admin rights to the website in order to be able to look at this information, obviously. So if you're getting into Google Analytics, if you haven't got a login yet, it's really simple. Just go to analytics.google.com and it will step you through the process, and it's super simple. And then you can basically get admin rights to whichever websites you're going to be looking at and managing. So I'm going to click on admin. Yep, really simple. And in the middle, under here, it's property. So look, if you don't have, so property is actually the name of the website. So I've got a few different properties here. But if you don't have a property on there, you need to obviously create a property. And under the property, under each property, you'll have a separate tracking code, it's called. So if we just go to it here, it says .js, so it's tracking info. So we click on that. And I'm going to go to tracking code and click on that. And there is our global site tag, right? So I'm going to select my global site tag and copy it. And then, really simple process, I'm going to go over to Clickfunnels, okay? I'm going to go to the particular funnel that I want. This one is the lead magnet opt-in funnel. And I'm going to go to the settings on the funnel. So if we have a look, when we open our funnels, generally speaking, they're not on the settings tab. They're on this tab here. Yep. So unlike the Facebook pixel code, which goes in at a page level, this goes in over the entire, like across the entire funnel. So we're just going to go to settings. And then a bit further down, we've got this head tracking code down the bottom here. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit, and I'll just delete this one so you can see, because it's exactly the same one, right? And so you won't have anything in here. So all you're going to do is basically you're going to paste. Wait, let me paste. Okay, that's okay. Let's just copy this again and paste, right? And that's it. That's done. We pasted it in there. We're just going to save this. Oh, with the settings page, the save button is right down the bottom, and it's a little tricky. So we're just going to save and update settings. Make sure you do that, guys, or it will not save. And now if I go back and have a look at my settings, I'm just going to check that it is in there. Right, and if you have a look, it's definitely in there. There we go, our global site tag, our Google tag there, and all the information there is in there. How brilliant is that? So what does that mean? That means now when I go to analytics, yeah, and granted, I've only put this on tonight, so I'm just going to go back here, right? So when I actually go to all my website data for this particular page, or website data, which is what I'm choosing, yeah, I can actually see who my active users are and all the information for that page. Obviously, this one is a new one, but this is really helpful. If I have a look at one of my client ones that I've been worked on for quite a while, you guys would know this one, or this one maybe. Yeah. And we can actually see the information about like where they're getting their clients from and all of that kind of thing, if that makes sense. Yeah. So super, super useful to be able to get any kind of information that you want off that page. And yeah. And like, yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, so we can see right now, even though we can't see that there's anyone on there, we can actually see that there were a couple of page views a while ago. And we know that this is actually now working. And over time, as we build up all of the people going to that funnel, we will be able to actually see some trends and things. I hope that makes sense, guys. If you have any questions about Google Analytics, please feel free to flick them my way. I do have some Google Analytics experts I work with as well. So even if it's a complicated thing, just let me know. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thanks, guys.